you're a new listener and you wonder what's going on, the British Empire, this is simplified 60-second history, and we'll get Jasper's take on it. He's a bigger expert than I am, but this is how it worked. The British Empire, run by private corporations, had taken over probably 40% of the world. The sun never set on it. Some estimates are 50%. You have the Dutch Empire and the French Empire and the Spanish Empire and the Russian Empire, and the American Empire was growing by then as well after the Spanish-American War. It was really when we became an empire. That's admitted by historians. And a lot of the robber barons wanted a corporate global empire by buying off presidents, buying off kings, buying off other companies, consolidating those, using mercenaries in skirmishes with locals, indigenous that didn't want to go along with it. And after World War I, they had League of Nations, and they argued, let's have this big combine and never have a war again. But then, of course, that went into World War II. And the argument is, let's have global government run by corporations that'll stop these wars. But they're the very groups stirring up the wars, so they can then point for global government to stop the wars. And they're the ones 9 times out of 10 destabilizing, starting the crisis, or exacerbating it. And so we don't face foreign armies, foreign tanks now. That's only at one small level of it. We face economic warfare. We face a takeover. And it's a cultural takeover as well. And it doesn't give any quarter. And it's a world where the social compact is out the door and where they want to purposely make people poor and highly controlled.